It's a blank sheet. Okay. Okay, now I look at my templates. Okay, look at my template. Okay, it start with B2. I put A here. Okay, so B2 here. Okay, I type A. Capital letter A. A. What's my capital letter? A, B, C, D, E, F. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I want to make sure that they're all center, so I adjust it to make it center aligned. All right, and I want to make it square, so I highlight the column name, all of them together. Then I adjust my cursor. You see, my cursor changed to a hand sign to a arrow, right hand side pointing. I click and I drag. Okay, now after adjusting the size of my column, I'm adjusting the size of my row by clicking one, drag to 8. My arrow change again, my cursor change from a hand to an arrow. I click and I drag. Now it looks so square now. Okay, I'm happy with it. Okay, I highlight the column here because I want to color them. Do you see the few color? Color them. Okay, I click the borders now and I want to draw them. Okay, let me look at template. Do I look at it? Okay, it looks something like this. Okay, this is called my ships. Okay, let's go back to this now. I highlight this. The title, I merge them, I cut my ships. Okay, so I highlight all of this, Command C, copy, Command V, paste. Now adjust them. Okay, enemy ships. Okay, then ta-da! Now I put my ship. And of course, when I'm putting my ship, I don't let people know. It's a secret, okay? Supposed to. Okay. Ta-da! I'm ready to play with anyone.